Hey everyone! I bought these from Planet Car Care online. The ordering process and delivery were really smooth. I drive a Honda City V variant, which uses H7 halogen bulbs for low beam projectors, and HB3 for high beam reflectors. I got a couple of 4200K pairs. Both are 50W, just different sockets. Great packaging overall. Here's a quick unboxing of H7 pair. And here's the HB3 pair. Build quality feels solid. Here's a side-by-side look. This is the stock halogen projector output. You can see the yellow tint. And here's the high beam. It's just not bright enough with today's oncoming traffic running bright LED. Installation is easy. Disconnect the harness. Yellow indicates positive polarity, so align positive to positive when connecting. Here's night footage from my dashcam. I mostly relied on low beams, flicking high beams only to alert drivers or light up pitch black stretches. Hope this quick look helped. Thanks for watching, and drop your questions below.